Expect stormy weather, torrential rains, and even flooding this weekend as a low-pressure area closes in on the country and intensifies into a tropical storm or even a typhoon. Our Rod Lagusad has more on this weather disturbance dubbed Krising in this report.
Tropical Depression Krising, the third tropical cyclone inside the Philippine area of responsibility, is expected to intensify and become a tropical storm by tomorrow. By Friday, the storm is expected to be nearest to land, particularly to northern Luzon. From Friday until Saturday, it is expected to further strengthen into a severe tropical storm. But before that, as the storm approaches, Pag-asa weather specialist Jan Manalo says it will enhance the southwest monsoon, especially in the western part of the country.
Yung tropical depression kasi meron niyang extension ng mga cloud, tinatawag natin na cloud bands, at yun yung nagbibigay ng maulap na kalangitan ngayon sa Bicol region at sa eastern part ng Visayas. Ibig sabihin, mataas yung tsansa ng mga pagulan at mas tataas pa at dadami pa yung mga lugar na magiging maulan sa mga susunod na araw.
Based on the 5 p.m. weather bulletin of Pag-asa, Tropical Depression Krising was last spotted 625 kilometers east of Vera, Catanduanes. It carries maximum sustained winds of 45 kilometers per hour and gustiness of 55 kilometers per hour and is moving west-southwestward at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour.
Pinapayuhan natin ang ating mga kababayan na maging alerto dahil ang bagyong ito ay posibleng magbibigay ng mga malalakas na mga pag-ulan, moderate to heavy rains, na maaaring magdulot ng mga pagbaha sa mga mababang lugar at landslides sa mga bulubunduking.
Pag-asa does not rule out the possibility that the storm's track may shift toward mainland Cagayan or Isabela or move north toward Batanes depending on other affecting atmospheric systems. Pag-asa also adds that tropical cyclone wind signal number 1 may be raised over parts of Cagayan Valley tonight or early tomorrow if the storm maintains its westward path or expand its radius. The possibility of raising tropical cyclone wind signal number 1 over Catanduanes is also not being ruled out.
Aside from the tropical cyclone bulletin, update sa bagyo, weather advisory, update sa pag-ulan na dala ng bagyo at ng habagat, antabayanan din po yung mga localized heavy rainfall at thunderstorm advisory na ipapalabas ng ating mga Pag-asa Regional Services Division.
Pag-asa adds that tropical cyclone wind signals could be raised to as high as number 3 or 4 due to Tropical Depression Krising.
Hindi pa rin natin niro-ruled out yung typhoon intensity category na maaari niya maabot. So kahit depression pa lang siya ngayon, hinihikayat po natin yung mga kababayan natin na maging handa dito sa papalapit na bagyong si Krising.
In line with this, the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Operations Center has raised its blue alert status to ensure coordination among various agencies. The storm is expected to possibly exit PAR by Saturday afternoon or evening. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.